make it outside. The second leg of the SMX World Championship begins. This is round one of Pro Motocross.
Yeah, qualifying went well. I think I was 5th overall, so yeah, pretty much just sending it for a lap, and I think everyone's doing that the first round, trying to make a statement, whatever. So hopefully we can find a good pace where we can flow all moto, and yeah, hopefully make a run at that podium. That'd be nice. Just a new experience. Never have raced before at the outdoors, so we're just relearning the bike. We had a good Supercross season, and whole new setup for outdoors, so we're trying to dial that in. Obviously, we ride on the East Coast, so West Coast is a little bit different with the dirt, but we're going to adapt the best we can with what we got, and yeah, see how this first moto is going to tell a lot, and see where we are with setup and what we need to work on, because we've been doing sprint laps, and that's kind of goes all out the window once we have to do 35 minutes straight. So see if we can find a good flow in the motos, and yeah, run up there towards the top 5. That'd be nice. As long as I do my best, I'll be happy and satisfied. So just make sure I leave everything on the table, and yeah, I think definitely be pleased with the top 5. That would be a good start to the season. Just get out of here and build.
Yeah, we're here at Paula, first round motocross. Just finished up with practice. Justin ended up P5, and the track was kind of what we expected. I'd say, that's pretty consistent on how they prep the track, so not too many changes for the bike, just little quicker changes, but nothing too big. Other than that, bike was good, he looked good in practice. He was able to put some laps together, and consistent lap times with that too, so pretty good. And hopefully we can go out there and get some good starts and run up front and see what we got.
Yeah, of course. I think it's from the outside looking in, people are probably wondering, why we didn't get it feeling right or why not. And, we have faith in Justin that he can be battling for podium positions, and that's his job. He needs to go out there and do that. And if he does his job and does what he is capable of and what he's supposed to do, then that's why we got him. So far, the day's going good. We're right where we should be with Justin. I would say the top 5 guys are going to be battling it out, and we're right there where we need to be. So go out, get 2 good starts, 2 consistent motos, and end up on the podium.
We're all business unless we're having fun.
Yeah, here we are, first round of a great outdoors, baby. A lot of teams here from California, so that they ride this track all freaking time. Dax's rookie year, pretty much his first look at this track in his pro career. Press went pretty good. Track was really high speed. He said it was. There's no way it's going to be that high speed tomorrow. And I'm speaking of Friday to Saturday, coming into practice 1 to qualifier 1 to qualifier 2. Dax is kind of struggling a little bit right now, so we're doing a few tweaks here and there for bike setup, getting a little more comfortable on the bike, get a little bit more confidence going. But overall, he's coming in with a lot of confidence, and he's got some stuff to show everybody.
Feels good to be back at the pro motocross races. Yeah, it's been going good. I feel good at home, and jumped right on the track here and felt about the same. So haven't made a clicker change all day. Feel pretty good. So yeah, we'll see how the track kind of shapes up for this first moto and go from there.
Hometown race, so excited. Qualifying was all right. I think we're 7th.
But it's the first round, and we got a whole new bike too for outdoors. So we're gonna come out swinging, hopefully execute the start, and just build this season, and try to hold that red plate. That's the goal.
It's cool to be here. Nate's feeling pretty good. We did a couple bike changes, kind of get him more comfy. He qualified inside the top 10, so that's good for him at an outdoor national. He's looking comfortable. He seems really confident. So I mean, we're just going to do our best to try and capitalize on that, and just see where the day takes us.
You have a coffee jersey? No, dude. This is. I gave him the coffee when it cleaned.
One of them was straight mink with coffee. That's this one.
Like someone spilled coffee on it for real.
Oh yeah, full cut right there, very done. It's going good. We're out here at the first round, so yeah, man, that's been a while since I've raced an outdoor race, so it's kind of feels pretty new to me, but I kind of remember some stuff. So yeah, it's good. The track's smoother than I thought, but yeah, I'm excited. Go out, get a good start, do what I know how to do, and yeah, we'll be in a good spot. 2022, whole shot.
2 years ago.
Moto 2. That was my first pro race. So yeah, we're hoping for the same. Maybe the buzz hair will give me some extra seconds or spots or something. But yeah,
You had to go down a helmet size, didn't you?
No, actually, same. I was surprised. Same exact everything. Just this.
They made some big changes to your bike. The bike's going to shift better and free it up. And remember, higher gear, you'd be better off to lug the ride than over rest bike. Equipment, don't hold your breath. That's number one. Breathe and go have fun, but execute the start.
Hopefully we pull the whole shot. That's my goal. Pull the whole shot.
Yeah, looks like they laid some water down out there, so it might be a little slick. Gotta be careful the first couple laps.
What a way to get it started for the rider originally out of Temecula, California. That's right here. It's in sight. Haiden Deegan wins Moto 1 of 2024.
Yes, sir.
That was easy. He's tired. Okay, so the front was literally not even on the track. No, I landed and I let off.
The only thing that we see is we think it's here that you can maybe grab it for like that step up the hill. Like you go kind of high off the compass and you rev out here for service. Then after that, the big kind of jump, same thing. Like it looks like your third's probably revved out and like.
I felt like dude, since I was behind him, I wasn't shifting right because I couldn't go. You know, I was doing some slow behind him.
Yeah.
Like, dude, my lap time was so behind him.
Yeah.
Like, I had to start the tap, but I think a little slow in that back section.
He can see it. The California native is going to win in California. Haiden Deegan 1-1 at the opener.
Oh, easy! Awesome! Woohoo!
Yeah, baby. That's how we do it. That was perfect.
Every bit of it, dude.
Hell yeah. A lot of hard work right there, paid off.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah. 1-1 on the day. Dream day for round one, man. I put in the work these last 2 weeks of outdoor practice, but hey, we got her done. 1-1. It's my first outdoor here in Fox of the season, so we're hyped. Red plate, baby, and yeah, we're gonna grind it out this season.
in the stands right now.
And the lone gunner right now for Monster Energy Yamaha Star Racing, because unfortunately both Cooper Webb and Eli Tomac are out with thumb injuries. And let's see if Cooper can get Nicoletti now. Oh, Justin Cooper has got it going on right now.
Justin Cooper, I think he can build off this and continue to stay in that top 5 and maybe get in the podium as the year goes on.
Yeah, all in all, it was a great day for Justin. He had 2 phenomenal starts. Unfortunately, on the second start, he got into it with AP in the first turn, but the start was good. First moto had a great ride, and second moto came from 38th, I believe, all the way back to 8th. Good start, lots to build on, and we'll move on to Hanktown.
Yeah, it was a good day. Qualified 5th, had a really good start first moto, I think 3rd or 4th, and yeah, just settled in. Ended up getting past the last lap for 5th, and then yeah, overall I felt like I was pretty good. Didn't feel like I left everything on the table there, but second moto got a decent start, and yeah, just got in a little bit of a pile up in the first turn. So yeah, came from last and made my way up to 8th. I had 2 guys right in front of me, but yeah, I was kind of just pretty tired at that point. So yeah, moving to next weekend, good start to the season, and yeah, we can definitely build off that.
Yeah, I mean, I went off the track. I didn't accelerate at all. I followed what I was supposed to do, but yeah, Mitch is trying to get us. So, I mean, I don't know. You think, Levi, you think I deserve that win or no?
I mean, I don't think I would have passed you. It depends how much you slowed up. It's a sticky situation, though, because then my buddy Tom got docked for a similar situation. So you can't really, yeah, I don't know. I think if Tom hadn't gotten docked, then it would be a different situation. But, yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just, I mean, he beat me, though.
Long story short, it's going to be war now till the end. Yeah, it was a good day. Solid. I mean, I think I proved a point going 1-1. Yeah, we're working our butts off. We're coming, and yeah, it feels good to be up front. Cowie team's trying to protest me for going off the track, but I mean, I did everything I was supposed to. But Mitch has a lot of pull in this sport, so he can pick and choose who he wants to take down. But anyways, yeah, 1-1 on the day. I went out there, had a good day. It was good.